Welcome to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, I'm going to give you a second to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Now, guys, today is a very special day, but before I go into why it's a special day, I want to give a shout out to T-Nog, that is the New Orleans gardener. I want to give a shout out to Back to Our Roots, and I also want to give a huge shout out to Growing Out the Box. So, guys, I entered into the cabbage and collard contest, and now I'm about to reap the rewards of entering into that contest. I might not have been a winner. Well, I was a winner that night, but not for the growth of the food. But today I am a winner because right here, okay, camera back to me, please. Camera back to me, please. Okay, Jesus Christ, it's hard finding good help these days. But anyway, so these were the cabbage that that my nephew's friends helped to plant inside of the raised bed, and today we get to do a live harvest. So this is also an exciting moment for me because this is my first time actually succeeding with the cabbage growing inside my own backyard. So this is a personal win for me and the family. So guys, look at this beautiful cabbage head, and we are definitely going to eat this tonight. Beautiful cabbage. Yes. And so I'm going to grab another one. Look at that, guys. A beautiful head of cabbage. All right. So there you have it, guys. The results of the cabbage and collard contest. And these are my bounty. This is a perfect example of you reap what you sow. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.